Think managing your email list on Systeme.io's free plan has to be complicated? Let me show you how one simple tag can help you keep things organized and stay in touch with your audience. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of your Techie Isabel and your micro-budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. So let's talk about how tagging works on the free plan of Systeme.io and why I keep it super simple. On the free plan, you only get one single tag, and if you want to send emails through Systeme.io, every contact in your account has to have that tag. That's one of the limits of the free plan because it means you can't separate your contacts into different groups with different tags, but honestly, that can also keep things much simpler, especially if you're just getting started with your online business. Inside Systeme.io, I tag everyone the same way, no matter how they joined my list or what freebie they signed up for. Then I send all my subscribers through one main welcome campaign that introduces them to my business, shares helpful tips, and gently mentions my products or services. Once someone finishes my automated welcome campaign in Systeme.io, they stay on my list and continue receiving my newsletters. It's a simple and organized way to stay connected with people on the free plan without getting overwhelmed by complicated setups. Of course, as your business grows, you might decide to explore other ways to organize your emails and segment your audience in more detail. That's something I go deeper into inside my course. But if you're just starting out and you want to keep things as simple as possible, using one tag in Systeme.io can be a great way to manage your contacts and stay in touch with your audience. So if you're using the free plan and worried about how to handle your emails in Systeme.io, don't stress. One tag and one welcome campaign can absolutely help you stay organized and keep moving forward. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a micro budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.